Hello, today we're opening this mini Cooli. It's a mini air conditioner. Enjoy it in summer on a hot day. It's supposed to have a rechargeable mini fan with a built-in lithium battery. It's an air conditioner and humidifier, doubling as a cooling wind function. It's portable and mini. Stainless steel. Open, open, open. I just want to rip this open. So now that the sponge is wet, I'm going to put this back and then put the cover back on. Slide it on. Yes. All right. And then you can charge this again. And it'll just feel a little bit cooler than before with just the fan. The sponge does make it a little bit cooler. All right, and it comes with this hanger that you can wear around your neck. So let's try it. Just gonna put this on like so. And here's the necklace part of it. You can wear this around your neck as well. All right, and this is how it is in its full glory in use. Thank you for watching. The charging cable for this mini Cooli is not your regular mini USB cord. It is slightly larger, so it's harder to find in stores. All right, let's test the strength of this mini Cooli. So here it goes. See how it moves. Moves just a little bit. Kind of have to help it along. All right.